Nicole and welcome to the first video on my YouTube channel, Bochiknot. So this channel will be all about macrame. I will be providing you with YouTube tutorials on how to do knots, some basic patterns that I created, as well as some tips and tricks to help you with your own macrame journey. I want to give you the opportunity to customize your own macrame piece, whether it be a plant hanger, a wall hanger, or a clutch, whatever it may be and wherever your creativity may take you. So for our first video today, we'll be making this flower mandala that I created. We'll be walking step by step from beginning to end on how to make this. So let's get started. You'll start by taking a strand of cord, holding it together, and putting it through the loop on the cord on the metal ring. This is a lark's head knot. Do this with all 48 strands until the metal ring is filled up. Starting anywhere on the ring, take 4 cords and make a square knot. Then take the 4 cords to the left of it and make another square knot. Now take the middle 4 cords right under the 2 square knots you just made and make a berry knot, which is essentially 2 square knots in a row. Once you are done, place the 4 cords through the hole between the 2 upper square knots. You have completed a berry knot. Now perform the square knots and the berry knots around the ring for 11 more times. You should have 12 berry knots in total at the end. Now starting in between the two berry knots, make a square knot. Do the same in between the next berry knot. Now take the 4 cords under the berry knot and separate the strands out. Using the right 2 cords and the right 2 cords beside it, make a square knot. Do the same thing on the left side. Now taking the middle 4 cords, we'll make another square knot. Now do the same thing in between the next set of berry knots and make a square knot, and then make 3 alternating square knots right under the berry knot. Do this for all the berry knots around the ring. Now take 4 cords in between 2 berry knots and we'll make a 3rd berry knot.
Now separate the 4 strands under the berry knot and make 2 square knots under it, on the right and left. Make 1 more square knot under the 2 square knots. One leaf on the mandala will have 3 berries on it. Now we will make a series of double half-hitch knots. Using the far right cord as the anchor cord, make a series of double half-hitch knots down to the left, until you get to the 3rd cord under the bottom middle square knot. Do the same thing on the left side with the far left cord as the anchor cord, and make a series of double half-hitch knots down to the right.
You and me, only butterflies and beetles can fit between. I'm an open book, but you're a lock and key. And now we're drowning in this unsteady sea. Why are you still here? I thought you didn't want me around. I'm just trying to get away.
To close it off, make 1 more double half-hitch knot to the right side with the bottom 2 cords.
Never should have made.
Do this again 6 more times to get 6 leaves in total.
Aren't you happy to see me? What do you mean you have nothing to say? Say anything. Oh, no, 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 don't say nothing at all. If we don't keep talking, then I'll be alone. I need to hear your voice, not just on the phone. I'm sick of leaving messages after the tone. The gap between us is growing inside. To me, it's tearing us in two.
Now in between 2 leaves, make a square knot.
The gap between us is growing. It says nowhere to run, nowhere to hide. I'm wasting time.
Now taking the cord to the right beside the square knot, use that as an anchor cord and make 2 double half-hitch knots to the left. Do the same thing on the left side. Close it off with 1 more double half-hitch knot to the right side. Do this small leaf again 5 more times.
It's funny how things don't go the way you thought they would, and you don't know wrong and right, or bad from good. Oh, you're done, oh, you could, when all you wanted to be was understood.
Always running all my life and never thought I'd see the finish line. Always trying to just get by, and I never thought it could get easier. You make me feel so optimistic. So optimistic.
Now using a pair of scissors, I like to use fabric scissors on the cotton cord. Cut about 1.5 inches from the leaf.
You keep me grounded. There's still some kind of chance I will. You give the day some definition, so they don't just pass me by. I'll give you this true admission, and you took me by surprise. You give the world a little something. You know how to slow down time. That's why I don't mind admitting that you took me by surprise. You.
Then using a hair comb, comb through the fringe.
So optimistic. So optimistic. Now I don't wanna know what I do without you. 'Cause every time
And that's a wrap for my first video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Thank you for watching. If you guys like what you saw, please give me a thumbs up or leave a comment in the comment section. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you.